Hi everybody, Miranda here. So it has officially been 2 months now that I've been using my Kind patches. I have them, I'm wearing leggings, so this is kind of hard to show. I have them on my hip, like I usually do. I know I usually show it in every video, but today I'm wearing yoga pants and a tank top, and I really don't feel like changing. Today's kind of my lazy day. I almost forgot to take a video of at the end of 2 months, but let me grab a pair of shorts real quick. Got the special shorts that I always wear when I do these videos. So we'll change into those real quick. We'll grab up the scale. Get that ready to go. Put on my shorts, because I usually weigh myself in my bra undies, tank top, and these shorts. That way I can also show you that I have my patches on my thigh, like usual. Kind of pinned up my hair a bit with some hair clips so it doesn't look quite as chaotic as it has in my other videos. I was going to put in my contacts, but I need to order new ones in a stronger size, so same with my glasses. I'm like, you know what, I'll just put on my glasses today, call it good. So let's do our weigh-in. Alright, hold on. Move this towel so I have more space. We're going to do it 3 times. Once we get the same weight 3 times in a row, that'll be the way we do it. I really hope it's not this weight. Because if it's actually the weight that it's showing, then these patches don't work, technically, for weight loss. One more time. If I get the same weight, that's the weight I'll show you. $165.8. 165.8. If I remember correct, last time I weighed in I was 163-ish. So my weight while using the Kind patches has technically been going up very little by very little each time. So can I definitively say they don't work? Yes, because I have all of this research that I've been doing, where I've been doing my videos every 10 days for 2 months straight. However, if I want definitive answers, what I should have done is I should have counted my calorie intake every single day, and that would have given me a rough estimate of like how much weight I should have gained each day based off my eating habits, and that would have given a more definitive answer. However, I do feel like I have slimmed down a tiny bit. I mean, it's not super noticeable, but my arms aren't as saggy. They're still jiggly, but they don't look as bad. Here, let's move you down here. My legs, my belly. Get my gut out so you guys can see what I mean. My gut It's about the same. I don't think any of this went anywhere, which is a little upsetting. Here, that way you're not seeing my butt crack. I'll just lift it up a little bit higher. My back, still got everything going on. My legs. I've been working out my glutes. So I know those have changed. My legs. In all honesty, would I recommend anyone buys these patches to try? My personal opinion, since I just used them for 2 months straight, I want to say that they don't work as good as you see people saying in some of the videos. Because obviously they must be like working out like a lot on top of using the patches. So the berberine patch, which is supposed to be for like weight loss, I don't think did anything at all. I don't think the berberine patch actually helped at all. The metabolism, however, these two I think worked. Because when I use these, I notice that I'm not as bloated, as puffy. These definitely work. I 100% recommend trying the Unpuff patches. The metabolism patches. These also work. Why do I say that? Because usually when I eat food, like my belly goes from being pretty-ish flat in the morning to looking like I'm like 16 weeks pregnant usually without these. These definitely help. These, however, I don't think they did anything for me. I don't think they did anything at all for me. I have noticed with using these patches that I have a slight shift in my energy. I've got a little bit more energy to get throughout the day. I have noticed I'm less puffy and bloated feeling. That's because of this. I have noticed that my appetite isn't as much as it used to be. So if that is from the berberine, then maybe these do work. But since this is the end of my 2-month span of using them, I'm just saying I'm not going to be buying more. They didn't work well enough to where I feel like wanting to buy more. I'm not saying they didn't work at all, because I can definitely tell the difference between when I was using them compared to when I wasn't using them. And I have more energy when I use them. I'm less puffy when I use them. My appetite's not as big when I use them. I'm not snacking as much through the day when I was using them. Foods that I would eat that would usually make me super bloated wasn't making me super bloated. So do I think the Kind patches work? Yes. Do they work as well as a lot of people post about them? Not in my opinion, no. But everybody's body is different, is what I've been told, so. On a 1 out of 5 stars, because I know Kind Patches sent me a message asking me to rate them, which I did. And I gave them, I believe, a 4 out of 5 stars because they're easy to use. They're not super expensive. They do give me an energy boost, which I so very much need having 2 kids. They do help curb my appetite so I'm not eating as much or snacking as much. They do make me less puffy. And all around make me feel better when I'm wearing them as compared to when I'm not wearing them. However, I will not be buying more of these because they did not have a big enough impact on my daily life to where I feel the need to want to spend the money to get these again. But thank you guys for watching. This is the end of my Kind Patch journey. follow along because I have a new product for weight loss and body health that I'll be trying out. It's called Spoiled Child. I think it's E27 Extra Strength Liquid Collagen. I'm going to be trying out next. So keep an eye out on my videos because that will be the next product I'll be trying. And I plan on buying a 1 or 2 month supply of that as well. So follow me along for that as well, and I will be also doing a every 10-day like check-in with you guys when I use that one as well. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.